So, welcome everybody. This is CARSODIA. I'm Pablo G Cars, and today we are with
Storm. So this is my M3 Touring Competition.
Car
Is fairly stock. I just have some Nankang CRS semi-slick and Pagit RSL 29 brake pads, some exhaust work, but it's quite stock for the rest. Car doesn't really need anything more to really have fun on track and push it.
It's a nice build and a really nice car in general. You mustn't do anything in the car because stock is a comp.
Very good on track. It's just BMW built a very good car.
Let's see what could do on track, right?
Yeah.
And with your hands too.
Let's go for a wrap.
Track mode?
Yes. It's really quiet now.
Yeah, and the track warms a little bit with the sun.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, the conditions are perfect now. It's really quiet.
It's empty. Now, here we go.
Yes.
The back is too funny.
Yeah.
Wow.
It likes to slide out.
Yeah. The bag is huge. That's the fucking fastest wagon I've ever seen in my life, man.
Yeah?
Different. Fuck off all this.
There's no one on track.
It's a track day, man.
Yeah, looks like it.
I love it, man. You're a maniac. Bloody. The jump is not the same. Just as you. Man, you're crazy. Your driving skills are another level. I mean, that was really good, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for a lap.
No problem.
Wow.
It's really a great car. It's just you can see what it can do.
Oh man, it's crazy. And your braking skills, wow. Thank you, man.
No problem.
It's crazy, man, your skills are really crazy. You're really crazy, man.
It was a perfect lap. It was nothing on the road, nothing, just 5 cars.
And we were the fastest one, of course.
I think so.
Oh man. do you feel the track?
What?
The track condition?
I think today they were very good. Not too hot for the engine of the car and everything, and for the brakes, it was just perfect.
I mean, I don't know how you feel the grip of your car right now.
Yeah,
comparing in other time.
Second time this year with these semi-slicks, and I must say it's better than before. I also
what did you have?
First I had the Cup 2s, but I did not really like them. I like these better. And also the temperatures are pretty good right now, so the pressures also for this car.
How many times are you driving seriously?
I started when I was 18, and then came more and more after that. But
always in the ring, or?
Yeah, always on the ring. But yeah, sometimes in Belgium also on Spa and Zolder. But I like the ring the most. But it was last year then it became a bit more serious.
Yeah.
And I started progressing more. I'm still a rookie, so still have a lot to learn. But for now it's
for a rookie,
it's crazy.
It's really good, right? And which is your best time in the ring? Or?
Last year. Last year I did a 738 with the car fully stock, but now I did not time yet, so I don't really know. I hope it's a bit faster, maybe below 730, but we will have to see, maybe on a track day or something.
Yeah. Today, for example, it was not the best condition.
No. In the morning with some rain and stuff, but it became better, and I think a lot of people left. That's why there was no one on track. So
yeah, it was bad weather this morning.
Yeah.
It was a little bit raining.
Yeah, a little bit.
In some parts.
Sometimes it started and then was dry again, but then some parts of the track started just getting a little bit.
Literally, the Nürburgring is.
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah.
Always.
It
In summer
it can
too.
Snow on some part and rain there, and then some sun on that side. So that's the fun thing about here. You never know.
That's the magic of the
ring.
Yeah.
The car is still limited because I don't have I don't have the track pack. When you have the track pack, it goes to 280, I think. But this
is software.
Yeah, it's software, but it's from BMW.
Wow.
So
pay to win of the brand.
Yeah, it's like that. So no, so 250 and this stops. I hit one time, I think at Schwedenkreuz. There I hit the limiter just before the small jump.
It's not really necessary?
No. 250 is enough.
Okay, thank you so much for the lap to show your car.
No problem. I liked it a lot. It was a very good lap.
An empty lap?
Yeah.
It never happens.
Never happens.
Now it's March.
Yeah.
But
I hope it stays like this for the rest of the season. But because last year
I don't think
busier,
so.
But it's gonna get busy, I think, when the weather starts clearing up and more sun.
In April, for example, is full.
Yeah, these days are already booked for us. So.
Cool, man. Okay, let's see.
Thank you. Could be more videos in the future, I think.
Of course. And thank you for your time. And
no problem.
That's it.
I liked it a lot.
See you.